Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to be doing a short demonstration of the iCarsoft BMM version 1.0 kit. Now we're in a mini Countryman right now, but the procedure I'm going to show you is really the same for any BMW or any Mini. It will work on a wide range of BMW and Mini vehicles. So we have the check engine light on the dashboard here. I'm going to put the link to this kit in all of the, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Basically because if you use those links it will take you to the genuine and official product. Now unfortunately there are fakes and there are clones on the market which can cause your vehicle nothing but damage and sort of frustration. So use the links in the description, it will take you to the genuine product. Okay, so to diagnose and reset this check engine light, the quick way to do it is just by clicking on the checks option. So it's the OBD2 or EOBD, and we're going to click that. Okay. And it's telling us the MIL status is on, which is the malfunction indicator light. Codes found 2. So if we go to read codes, it's telling us P0103 and mass or volume airflow sensor A circuit high, and that's one of 2. The other fault is exactly the same, but if you notice one of them says pending and one of them says stored. Nothing to worry about, but it does mean that there was a problem with the mass airflow sensor in this vehicle, which we already knew about. So we put a new mass airflow sensor in, but obviously we've still got the check engine light, so we need to reset that. To do that we need to go to erase codes. It's telling us emission related diagnostic information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? I'm going to click OK, and it's telling us make sure ignition on with engine off. Press enter to continue. So I'm going to make sure the ignition is on. To do it in this car it's like a push start, so you've got to go through the whole process of putting the ignition back on fully. Hopefully that should work. So if I click enter we might get a link error. I've noticed that can happen on these vehicles if you're turning the ignition on and off, but it's telling us there emission related diagnostic information has been erased, which is good. So we just do that and we come out of this completely. Go back to the main menu. You'll see the check engine light is still on though. That's because basically we just need to do a quick restart. So you can see my finger here. I'm going to start the engine, and hopefully when I do that the check engine light should turn off. There it is, it's completely gone, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft BMM version 1.0. Like I say guys, I'm going to put the link in the description below this video. It will take you to the genuine and official product, and I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.